Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own company in North Carolina. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description of this video and click on the link. And when you're going to click on the link, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help you start your own company. And I always say that you should focus on running the business, making the money, and also creating value for people. You shouldn't care about too much about accountancy and also administration and also how to open a business, because it's going to take your time that you could invest elsewhere to actually make money. So when you're going to be here, you want to click on Incfile Start My Business. I recommend Incfile only because it's simple, effective, and fast. So state of formation, I'm going to find here North Carolina. Here. Then you have three options, three packages: silver, gold, and platinum. My recommendation is going with the middle way, gold, but you can go also with silver. You can have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. And then in a middle one, the gold one, you can have like business tax number, business tax consultation, IRS form. So all the juicy stuff you're gonna have in a gold package. And then in platinum, you can have the banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard. So here in a platinum version, you get 3 bonuses: expedited filling, so your LLC will be filled faster, business contract templates, and domain name and business email. If you want, you can go also with the platinum version. Now I'm going to go with the gold one, so I'll click here, get the gold package. Here I will add a first name, last email, so Marcus.Lius email gmail.com, and then phone number. Okay, like this. And then you're gonna add a street address and everything. And zip code. Then click next here. Now you have option, if you didn't choose the platinum version, to have a faster filling time. So you can go with the 10 business days, or you can go with the 5 weeks. That's completely up to you which one you're going to choose. If you want your LLC have faster, then you're going to have the LLC name here. So you can name it, let's say I'm going to Sunwy Marketing, and it's going to be Bakery by Jessica. You choose the LLC name, and then you're going to choose the designator. Now when you have it, you're gonna also choose the number of members and owners. So you can press here and choose like 1 here, or if you're gonna have multiple owners, you're gonna find it here. And business purpose, and here you're gonna write, like, let's say I'm in marketing, so marketing service for small business owners. And then I'm going to have the industry keyword, and industry keyword is going to be, let's say, like marketing consulting services. And now when I have it, I'll go also to company address information here. So here you're going to have option to have a professional business address or use your own address. So you can simply choose the professional business address right here and have maintained privacy by using a commercial address, or you can go with using your own. And then you go further next. Then you get also option to upgrade it for premium version. So you can go with the business contract templates and domain name, business email address. So business contract templates, you would have high quality legal documents. If you want those, you can easily get the premium service package, or if no, just click here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you're gonna have the members here. So you have option to add a company or an individual. So if I'm going to click here for individual, I will just fill it out. If you're representing a company, you would press here company. And then again, I would press next here. Registered agent information here. Again, this is something also interesting. This is something that I definitely recommend to have with the Incfile. that you would have registered agent completely for first year for free. And don't do it by yourself only because you're going to spend a lot of time on the stuff that doesn't really matter for your business. It matters to registered agent, but not to you, because you want to run a business. And here, when you're going to click the Incfile, you can read about like all the stuff a registered agent like provides here. You would press next. And then you're going to see the tax identification number information. So I'm foreign individual and do not have a social security number, no name. You're going to add a first name, last name, and SSN number. And when you have the SSN number or you have IT number, you're going to add also the physical street address here and press next. Then you have also option to have a bank account with the Small Business of America. And you can have, yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. And then when you got it, you're going to press next. And then you're going to have the free consultation option. So here with the Incfile, you have an option to know how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, all the important steps. And you can do here that, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. That's what I recommend to have with Incfile. Then press next again. And then you're going to have the 2 licenses. And that's what I recommend is to have again with Incfile that they will cover for you. So I would click here, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. And then use the company address here. You can do it by yourself if you want to. Then you're going to click next here again. And then you're going to have the options for reviewing the order, if everything is all right for you, if everything is fine. And when everything is good here and you will check it up, then you're going to have the billing information, and you see also the reviews of other people. Incfile.com made my first entrepreneurial experience as peaceful one. So you would add a first name, card number, and everything here, and then you would click complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how we can do it, and this is how we can start an LLC in North Carolina. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. If you can also chat with Incfile and call them, that's like up to you. But this is pretty much it, how we can do it. So I hope you're going to have a great day. This was an Incfile tutorial, how you can start your LLC in Incfile and how you can start your own LLC in North Carolina. So yeah, see ya and goodbye.